I only packed one carry-on suitcase, so I had to be really smart with my outfit. I tried to plan it as well as I can, and I think I succeeded because I got more likes than I normally do on my Instagram. So I thought I would do a what I wore in Montreal, so all the outfits that I kind of combined, and show you guys exactly what they are. And I'll also link all of them down below in case you guys are interested in any of the pieces. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy if you're brand new here. In total, I think I brought 2 blazers, 1 cardigan, I think I had 4 t-shirts, 3 tank tops, and 2 pairs of jeans and 1 pair of leggings, and then I brought 2 pair of shoes. But I also knew I was gonna buy shoes, so I'm also gonna show you what I bought. On my very first day, I wore my comfortable heels from Echo, my Levi's jeans, which are wedgie fit with the distressing. Those were really cool. They were very photogenic. I also wore my BALMAIN T-shirt, the black one, which I love, and this blazer, which I'm wearing right now. The bag of choice and the only bag that I brought over this trip was the Chanel Gabrielle. As my outerwear, which is also the only outerwear that I brought, was this amazing Helly Hansen, I guess you can call it raincoat, but it's such a cute jacket because of the waist tie. It totally looks more dressed up or more dressy, even though it's a pretty casual piece. It's a rain tech gear, but I loved it so much. I totally have to find this for you. I hope it is online because I did buy it in the store. The next day I took this picture. This was taken at the premium outlet of Montreal, and yes, there is a premium outlet in Montreal, and there was a Gucci store, a Salvatore Ferragamo. On this day it was so weird because the day before it was 12 degrees, so it was pretty chilly and windy. But on this day, it was 22 degrees, so it was super weird, very hot, and I was overdressed. I was actually wearing my cardigan on top of this, so I just had a plain t-shirt with my Gabrielle again and the same jeans. And that's the thing about packing smart. With jeans, you can really recycle the look as long as you have a different top, or like maybe even just a different combination of jacket and jeans and top. In terms of accessory, I actually wore pretty much the same accessory the whole time, and I'm already wearing them as well. I've just been really into this layered look. I have this LV necklace with the A initials, and I have this little V necklace that is not from LV, but it looks like it is from. I'll link it down below, especially this one if you guys like it, because I do have a lot of people asking me where to get it. It's very inexpensive, but it is gold plated, which is awesome, and they layer super well together. So this picture was taken the next day. That was the day that I met up with Chenny, and we were at the Fairmont. I had skinny jeans from Sandro. I had my Balmain jacket, which I love. I had one of my tank tops that was from Aritzia, and I was wearing my new boots that I bought from L'Intervalle. These are awesome boots because I love how pointy they are, but the heel is a kitten heel, so it was very, very comfortable. So on day 4, there was a little bit of shopping involved in Carrefour Laval, and also we saw more family members on that day. So on that day, I wore the same skinny jeans that I wore the day before. I wore a different t-shirt, just a plain white t-shirt, same jewelry, same bag, and then I wore this jacket again. So this was the picture that I took on day 5. It was of us again shopping in downtown. I was actually trying a another Balmain jacket at Simon's, and I fell in love with this white one. I really need to get it. I did not get it, but I really need to get it. This is totally on my wish list now, and I'm definitely gonna try to get it sometime soon. I don't know when, but this was basically my outfit that day. I wore a Balmain t-shirt, this time in the white, the same skinny jeans, so I wore these jeans 3 times now, so on this day it was the 3rd time. Finally, on the last day, this is day 6 in Montreal, we went to the Old Port again. So in Old Montreal, I met up with Mel Soldera. This was our last day, and we were actually catching a flight in the evening back to Vancouver. And so on my last day, I wore my Balmain blazer again. I wore a different tank top this time, a white one. So I only wore 2 tank tops, but I brought 3 with me, so I didn't wear the black one. But anyway, and then I wore the ripped jeans again. This was the look when I was all bundled up. And of course, I also had my Burberry shawl, which I completely love. It's so awesome. This Burberry shawl is amazing. Those were my outfits in Montreal, like you saw. It's really not that many pieces, but it was a combination of mixing and matching every single day, a little bit different, and reusing the same jeans and jackets several times during the whole week. And yeah, that was how I dressed. And also in terms of purchases, I bought 2 pair of boots. These are super extra. They are silver, and I don't know, they're from L'Intervalle, and that's the reason why I knew I was gonna buy shoes from them in Montreal, because I always see Mel Soldera talk about this shoe store. And I mean, I'm from Montreal, so I know how awesome it would be. I'm one of those people who cannot just buy shoes online and be okay with it. I actually have to try on each individual pair of shoes that I like, because they could be super comfortable for someone else, but they could be like the most uncomfortable ones for me. So I had to try them out, and I'm so glad that during this trip I was able to pick up these 2 pair of boots. I initially wanted white. I still want white, but I think these silver ones are too hard to pass. They're not going to be as neutral as the white in my opinion, because they're actually really extra for me, but I still love them. They're really cute, and I did get them on sale too, so I'll try to link them down below. I did not keep any boxes, because when I was trying to repack my carry-on, and yes, I did pack these extra shoes in my carry-on, yeah, I basically made sure that my carry-on wasn't so stuffed to the point where I couldn't add maybe a couple pairs of shoes. So that's exactly what happened. These ones I also got at L'Intervalle, and these ones have a zipper in the back, kitten heel, and super pointy. So I love that these are super versatile, black leather, very comfortable. So there you go. I love these so much. I actually caught a cold in Montreal kind of halfway through, and it didn't progress until I guess maybe like the day before I left. I started feeling like pretty bad, and of course I had to recover, so that's why my voice sounds a little bit strange. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that those of you who asked me about the outfits, that you will be able to find items that you want. Of course, I'll have all the links down below so that you can shop them if you like. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day ahead of you or week, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Bye.